Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamenta kasngi. Nongialam jungaseng Hynñiew Trep Youth Council HYC menhaga janmit jungasngi Balei ula khot haki pulit jungga Balei Police Station ha kabayade baka jingpen kre na gabenda ka Independence Day junggari India. Uwe pat nongialam jungga khnam uba Thomas pasa ula pentip bahadian ka jing kendu badu officer in charge jungga Balei Police Station ula penpau ya ka jingbam sngohun. Ula penpau rut aga basai baga jingtemu jongi ka longbet kumno banyo ya ka jingtip ka basai halor ka jingsha penyam jong uba Chesterfield thank you ubade nongialam berim jong ka HNLC. Ula kran ru da ka basai baka sur jong ka bri Hynñiew Trep kamdon kanu ka jingtemu ban persha halor ka jing rakhi ya ka jingdam Hynñiew pusan snem jong ka jinglat lu jong kari India.
On a subject related to the Independence Day. And after meeting OC and having a discussion, I think there is a confusion. We have made our statement very clear. Our agitation is regarding the death of the late Chesterfield. Thank you. And it is isolated specific to that. Nothing else. We have nothing against the celebration of the 75 years of independence of India. We have nothing against the Indian flag, and that subject is totally out of our agitation. So we have made our stand very clear, and I think the conclusion is clear now. And whatever program we have, since it is the first death anniversary of late Chesterfield, thank you. And since the report also has not been made public, it will take another 1 month. So, out of respect for the family of thank you, on the 12th, tomorrow we will be having a small program in the evening. And on the 13th, which is the day of the death anniversary, we will be participating in whatever program the family has planned for that day, which includes putting of flowers in the graveyard and service at the residence. That is the thing, and we have given our statement. I think now the matter is solved.
Have you also discussed?
We, on the 13, 12, 13, 14, these coming few days, which relate to the death anniversary of thank you, we want it to be very peaceful, and we don't want any involvement with the police also, especially in Balei. So we want that at least we should be given space to carry out our small programs and to pay respect, to pay tribute to this great leader.